How to reset Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, scroll down until you find Safari and tap on it. Safari helps to browse the internet, access websites, manage tabs and bookmarks. It also helps with view websites, preview website links, translate web pages, and more. Scroll down and tap on the Clear History and Website Data. Here, you can change the setting to any clear timeframe to clear the history. Now, under the additional options, turn on the toggle for Close All Tabs. Then tap on the red Clear History button at the bottom to confirm. This action will reset your browser data. Following these steps, you can easily reset Safari on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.